Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm not doing any cooking. Today I want to actually share with you all this product that I received. Now this one is for an air purifier and it's from the guys at Okaysou. I hope I'm pronouncing that correct. And it's a H13 True HEPA air purifier and it is a medical grade purifier. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this box, because I really love having air purifiers in my home, and seeing that now with all of this COVID-19 coronavirus that's going around, you want to at least clean the air in your house, right? You want to make sure that you are able to have nice clean air, especially if you have kids. So you guys know that I have a baby and I will do anything to protect him. So I have been putting air purifiers in every single room, even doubling up on them. If it's small and the room is big, I'll put 2. So here is our user manual, and let's just get the machine out of the box. So guys, let me just go over some of the things that this air purifier can purify or get rid of, because it's that good. It truly removes 99.97% of air pollutants. So we have here pollen, dust, mold, dust mites, virus, bacteria, pet dander, smoke, and VOCs, which is that paint smell that when you paint your home, and then formaldehyde. So compared to other types of air purifier, this one is the best one to get because it is medical grade, as you guys see. It has that new smell that you get when you buy something new. Nothing else is in here. Set that aside, and let me go ahead and plug this on. It says 2, 4, and 8 hours, so you can set it to how long you would like it to run. It's on. So this is the front of the machine. As you can see, the machine is not very small and it's not very big. It's a really good size machine. And it comes with a filter, but I just want to double check. So to open this, you're going to turn it at the bottom here, and we'll need to take the plastic off of the filter. Make sure when you buy an air purifier, you always make sure that there's no plastic on your filter, otherwise it will not work. So this goes back in here like that. Okay, so you just want to align the arrow, and once you align the arrow with the open lock symbol, and then you twist it clockwise, and then you turn it up. And then to actually use the machine, we're going to press the power button, which is here. So this little fan symbol here, that's your low speed indicator. So once the speed is low, it lights up. So it's lit right now, that means it's low. So the next one is the medium speed indicator, which is this one up here in the middle. You'll notice when I click the fan, it switched to this one. Then we have the high speed indicator, which is this one on this far side. So when I click the fan, that lights up. The other features are the timer indicators, which is 2, 4, and 8 hours. That's if you set the timer on this and you go to sleep, or you can leave it to run for the entire night or the entire day, depending on what you would like. We have the timing function switch, which is this one right here. Then we have the on off, which is the power button right here. The fan switch, or the fan speed switch, which is this one that I was using. Then we have the filter reset, which is this one. If you need to change your filter, this is going to light up. We have the sleep mode, which is this button with the moon and the star. Then we have the dimmer, which is this one here. This itself around here is your air outlet, where your air comes through or comes out. Then we have an ambient light, which is built in inside. we have an air inlet, which is M. That would be the back of the machine here, guys. So this perforation there. Then we have a 3-in-1 filter, which I showed you in the beginning of the video. And we have the filter cover, which is what we open to get the filter out. So guys, now is the best time to get an air purifier for your home, for your baby's room, for your kitchen, wherever you want to put it. I would even put one in the car if you have one of the outlets that you can plug it on. So definitely you need to consider getting one. Seeing how bad this virus is, you need to wash your hands, you need to make sure everything is clean, and having one of this in your house is going to actually cut back on all of those things that we inhale. Any of that bacteria, it's going to get rid of it with this machine. So if you guys are interested in owning an air purifier, so guys, the link to purchase this medical grade air purifier will be down in the description box. So make sure and click that little down arrow for the description box to open up. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. I hope you all enjoy this product. It's a nice size, and they do have bigger versions of it if you wanted a bigger version. So leave me your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, guys. Bye.